3 years ago, I was invited in a seminar hosted by engineers from Toyota and Honda. It was not a flashy media event, just a quiet training room filled with diagnostic scanners, wiring diagrams, and factory laptops. During a short coffee break, one of the senior engineers from Japan walked over to me, looked at my notes, and asked a question that completely caught me off guard. "Do you teach drivers about the hidden protection systems built into their cars?" I paused. Hidden protection systems? I had no idea what he was talking about. For the next 15 minutes, he walked me through menus, control modules, and calibration strategies that were quietly built into every Toyota and Honda that almost no American driver knows exist. And today, I'm going to show you 11 Japanese car features that engineers showed me, features only 1% of American drivers know about. Let's get started. Secret number 11. The Subaru Morse code hatch. Let's start with a feature that makes you feel like a high-tech spy, the Subaru pin code access. Imagine you are at the beach or going for a run. You don't want to carry your bulky key fob and risk losing it in the sand or water. Most modern Subarus have a tiny rubberized button right next to the trunk latch that most people ignore. By following a specific sequence in your settings, you can program a 5-digit Morse code into this button. Once set, you can lock your keys inside the car on purpose. When you get back, you need to just tap out your code in this such sequence. Tap, tap, pause, tap. And then your car will chirp and unlock. It is the ultimate backup plan for hikers, surfers, or anyone who has ever lived the nightmare of locking their keys in the trunk. Secret number 10. The pedal dance. Modern Japanese cars are renowned for their safety. But sometimes the nanny systems like electronic stability control and traction control are actually too intrusive, especially if you are stuck in deep snow or driving on a closed track. For Toyota, Lexus, and Subaru owners, there exists a legendary cheat code known in enthusiast circles as the pedal dance, which completely bypasses the digital safety nets that a simple button press won't kill. By performing a specific sequence of brake pumps and parking brake toggles within 30 seconds of ignition, this isn't just a gimmick, it changes the car's entire personality, handing total mechanical control back to the driver and disabling the brake force distribution that often interferes with performance. Just remember, once you engage this mode, you are the only thing keeping the car on the road, so use this professional insight with extreme caution. Secret number 9. The invisible hood. If you are driving a 2024 to 2026 Toyota or Lexus, you likely have a see-through view that you are totally underutilizing. When you engage the panoramic view monitor, most people just look at the bird's eye view to park, but there is a specific transparent toggle on the screen. This feature uses the external cameras to digitally erase the body of your car on the infotainment screen. This is not just for parking. It is a lifesaver for avoiding those hidden concrete pillars in underground lots that love to eat door panels. It essentially gives you X-ray vision, ensuring you never scratch those expensive alloy rims again. Secret number 8. The magic vertical storage. Honda's Magic seats are famous for folding flat, but there is a secondary mode that most owners completely forget about, called tall mode. Instead of folding the seat back down, you reach under the rear seat cushion and flip the bottom of the seat up toward the headrest. The legs lock into place, creating a massive, floor-to-ceiling storage cavern right in the middle of your car. This is the only way you can transport a 4-foot-tall potted plant without putting them on the roof. It turns a compact car into a mini moving van, making those impulsive IKEA trips way less stressful. Secret number 7. The reversible floor. If you own a Toyota RAV4, Highlander, or even certain hatchback models, you are likely sitting on a piece of dual utility engineering that you've never actually flipped over. The cargo floor in the trunk isn't just a static piece of carpeted board. It is a reversible load floor designed for the transition between city life and the rugged outdoors. By lifting the floor panel, you will find that the underside is finished in a high-durability, anti-slip ribbed plastic that is completely waterproof and chemical resistant. This mud hack allows you to transport snowy ski boots, muddy hiking gear, or leaking groceries without ever staining the pristine carpet of your interior. Once you are back in the city, you simply flip it back to the carpeted side for a premium look and better sound insulation. Secret number 6, the Paint Saver Fuel Cap Cradle. It is a common sight at gas stations, a high-end Japanese car with a fuel cap dangling against the rear quarter panel, slowly scratching the clear coat and leaving gasoline residue on the paint. What 99% of drivers fail to notice is that the engineers at brands like Honda and Lexus already solved this problem with a cradle or hook integrated into the interior of the fuel door itself. If you look at the back of the small metal or plastic door you just opened, you will find either a U-shaped plastic clip or a small protruding shelf designed specifically to hold the fuel cap or its tether. It is a simple, low-tech solution that preserves the resale value of the vehicle, yet it is consistently ignored because it blends so seamlessly into the black plastic trim of the fueling housing. Secret number 5, Battery Guardian Mode. Many modern vehicles from Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Subaru come equipped with what enthusiasts often call Battery Guardian Mode. It is a silent system designed to prevent unexpected battery drain. If you accidentally leave an interior light on or keep the door open too long, the system will automatically cut power after a set time to prevent a dead battery. In several Honda and Toyota models, infotainment systems gradually power down instead of shutting off abruptly, reducing voltage spikes and preserving battery health, and adjust charging behavior during short trips to compensate for insufficient charging time. This is especially useful in city driving, where frequent short journeys normally shorten battery life. Over time, this intelligent energy management can extend battery lifespan significantly. Secret number 4, the Neighborhood Stealth Mode. There is nothing more disruptive than the loud, jarring honk of a car horn when you are trying to lock your vehicle late at night in a quiet residential area. While most drivers assume this audible chirp is a permanent factory setting, but Japanese manufacturers like Honda, Nissan, and Mazda have built in a silent alarm confirmation, or stealth mode, that allows for a much more sophisticated locking experience. By holding the key fob's lock and unlock buttons together for approximately 3 to 5 seconds, you can toggle the vehicle's confirmation feedback to a silent, visual-only flash of the hazard lights, which is perfect if you have left a pet inside for a quick errand. It is a professional-grade adjustment that transforms your car from a noisy appliance into a respectful, high-tech companion. Secret number 3, Emergency Engine Shutoff Override. Many drivers don't realize that several models from Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Subaru include a built-in emergency engine shutoff override strategy, such as unintended acceleration or a stuck throttle input. The system prioritizes the brake and reduces engine power automatically. In many Toyota and Honda vehicles, pressing and holding the start-stop button for several seconds while driving can also force the engine to shut down in an emergency. Nissan integrates similar brake override logic that cuts throttle response when strong braking is applied. This feature is rarely discussed because it only activates in extreme conditions. But it's a crucial layer of safety engineering designed to prevent panic situations from becoming catastrophic. Secret number 2, the invisible coach. Hidden within the sub-menus of modern Japanese hybrids and high-efficiency internal combustion engine vehicles is a hypermile display that goes far beyond a simple MPG gauge. By navigating into the EcoScore, or Energy Flow screens, you are not just looking at pretty graphics. You are accessing a real-time kinetic energy recovery monitor that teaches you the pulse and glide technique used by professional fuel economy competitors. By keeping your acceleration within the Eco band shown on this secret display, you can effectively remap your own driving habits to increase your real-world range by up to 15%. Most drivers leave their dashboard on the standard digital speedometer, completely ignoring the sophisticated efficiency coach that Japanese engineers spent thousands of hours perfecting to help you beat the EPA's estimated fuel ratings. Secret number 1, the deodorizing ionization hack. While not a button in the software, the baking soda protocol is a secret maintenance function used by high-end JDM exporters to maintain that new car neutral scent without using cheap, chemical-heavy air fresheners. Japanese car seats are often furnished in high-durability synthetic fabrics. Over time, these fabrics act as a scent sponge. The secret is to apply a dry layer of baking soda across the seats and carpets for a full 24-hour cycle before a deep vacuum. Unlike spray-on deodorizers that simply mask smells with a new car perfume, the baking soda creates a pH-neutralizing reaction that physically pulls the acidic odor molecules out of the fabric fibers through a process similar to molecular ionization. This is the exact method used to prep luxury Lexus and Infiniti interiors for resale in the Japanese market. It is a low-cost, high-science way to maintain the pristine, factory-grade atmosphere that Japanese car culture is famous for. The bottom line of the video is, Japanese cars don't just rely on strong engines, they rely on intelligent protection systems layered throughout the vehicle. And how many of these did you actually know? Drop a comment below if your car has a secret I missed. See you in the next video.